What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is a short video on easy lawn care treatment starting in the spring. This fall, I was fortunate enough to be chosen to be in a series of John Deere commercials. After I appeared in those commercials, a number of family and friends have come up to me and wanted to know what they can do to have a lawn that looks like mine. So I didn't want to go full beast mode. So I wanted to give them an easy system that anyone can do. I started with the Scott's 4-step treatment program. Anyone can do this. So early March, I was able to get out on a warm day and put down the first treatment. As you can see, my lawn was pretty dormant and it needed some attention, but it was pretty thick. So I knew it would come back, but we had a day that we had unseasonable temperatures. It was in the 70s. We had some rain coming, so I thought I would just throw down this first treatment. But as luck would have it, it's March in Maryland, and we got a freak snowstorm. That's okay because it threw down some extra moisture and also some extra nitrogen to the ground. So after about 3 weeks, I was able to get out, get all my tools out, clean out from the winter, do a spring cleaning, and get my first cut in. And as you can see, just in 3 weeks, the lawn has come along nicely. So anyone can do this. I'm going to be sharing these videos for each of the 4 steps. This is not my full beast mode lawn dominance system that I'm going for this year. So please like, subscribe, and follow along. Good luck with your lawn.